Welcome back to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we're taking a quick look at the large engine guard available on our store. This engine guard, or engine bars some may call it, bolt right to the engine mounting points on the front. You can see here it shares the front upper engine mount location and the lower front engine mount location. So it bolts really sturdy right to the locations on the frame where the engine mounts. And you can see it looks, in my opinion, very stylish and discreet as well. And it has the subtle Royal Enfield branding on it. So this is the black version, but it is also available in the polished stainless steel color as well. So now getting a look at it from the back. So this really does offer great protection if unfortunately the bike did tip over. It's really gonna be a way to protect your investment and save some money if it did have an event like that, to protect the side cases of the engine and some of the cosmetic pieces. So this is for the Continental GT and the Interceptor 650, which the Interceptor is what I have right here. And here's a quick look at the engine guard as you get it right out of the box. We can see we have the guard itself and the associated hardware needed to secure it. Also, you'll find in the box step-by-step instructions printed on a little paper pamphlet, which is very helpful to aid you in the installation. So if you're not up to the task of installing these engine bars, then we can install them here for you at AlphaCars. Just definitely give us a call and we can go over those details. So this has been Ian reporting from the Boxborough location. I hope this video was helpful or entertaining. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing to not miss any more content.